your source for health, knowledge, and freedom. And this is your 5 minutes revolution. So recently I posted social media regarding the implantable chip to put into the body, which could hold a lot of different, let's say, data or records. So it could be your health records. It could be your FICO score, or basically your credit background. It could be vaccination records. It could be anything. It could be payments. So if you want to pay for something, there's actually a store in Seattle, I believe. It might be Amazon. I don't recall off the top of my head, where you are connected to the internet and you pick something off a shelf and it automatically picks it up, I believe, on your phone. When you walk out, you never pay. It just automatically goes to your phone. We have phones now that actually can have that happen as well. It's like iPay, Samsung Pay, I believe it is, different things like that. This would actually be an implantable chip that would do the same thing, but also have all your records on it, and possibly your social score too, which is quite fascinating because we are all on social media today. Some people post conservatively, don't post at all. Some people are heavy posters. Some people post like me. Definitely, it takes your personality into consideration. Now, this used to be what's considered a conspiracy theory, okay? It is no longer conspiracy theory. This is being tried out in other countries first. Now, you can go to a website called ID2020.org or .org. And on here, this is actually run by Microsoft. So there's several companies involved, and this is a globalist type company. So Accenture, you may have heard of that technology company. Gavi, which is the Vaccine Alliance. Then you have the Rockefeller Foundation, Microsoft, and then a company called IDEO.org, and there's other ones involved as well. But the kicker behind this is Accenture obviously has all the cloud backup, all the database, the servers, etc. Gavi is a vaccine company. So this is also a way where they want to get everyone into a vaccine database and to be tracked on what you have not received for both kids and adults. The Rockefeller Foundation, if you don't know the history of the Rockefellers and their involvement in medicine, but also oil and basically world global economics. And then you have Microsoft, run by Bill Gates, not run by him anymore, but the original founder, board of directors now. He also has the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and basically they are behind quote-unquote global health. When I say behind global health, meaning that they're pushing the agenda where they believe medicine, vaccines, it makes people healthy, which we know that's not true. However, ID 2020 is the microchip implant going into people, and they want to put it in the vaccine. So when someone receives a vaccine, which you know my background and my opinion on vaccinations, as well as friends and different people that stand out there on the science or the non-science behind vaccines, you'll know that it's not in our best interest to have these done. But the chip would be injected through those. So this really is a globalist organization pushing to take away your privacy, liberty, freedom, etc. And so we really have to think, is this something we want? Is something we want to do? And how many of you would be willing to actually have that happen or have that done? How many people would want this put in you? Because some people are actually running to jump to the head of the line to get this done. I do not want this. I think we still need to be a cash society at certain places. It's okay to have all this wonderful technology. I've used the payment by phone as well. We use the internet today. We use all this stuff to do different things and make things easier, get our groceries delivered, etc. But there comes a time and a place we have to put a stop to this. The people I hang around know exactly what this is for, and we have to stop this globalist activity where it is actually pushing towards a one world government, one world health organization, etc. So I bring this to you because I want you to think about this and know that you have to be aware and awake. And is this something you would want? Do you understand the ramifications behind this? Or is this something you want freedom and liberty from? Because ultimately, this indoctrinates us into a one world government, which is very, very dangerous. And this is why I want to tell you about the revolution, because there are many people involved with this, getting great information out. You need to know what's going on. Go look up those organizations, those websites, know the facts behind how this works. So folks, that is your 5 minute revolution. This is Dr. Jason Dean of Revolution Network. See you on the next 5 Minute Revolution.